Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook cod in an air fryer. First, ensure your cod fillets are completely thawed if starting from frozen. It is crucial to pat each fillet very dry using paper towels. This step prevents steaming and helps achieve that perfect, crispy exterior we all love. Then, brush both sides of your cod lightly with about 1 teaspoon of olive oil to aid in browning and prevent sticking. Now, let's add some delicious flavor to our cod. A basic but excellent blend includes 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, an 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. For a bolder taste, you could incorporate a touch of smoked paprika or a pinch of dried dill. Make sure to sprinkle your chosen seasonings evenly over both sides of the oiled fillets, ensuring every bite is flavorful. Preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Carefully place the seasoned cod fillets in a single layer in the basket, making sure not to overcrowd them. This allows for optimal air circulation. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, gently flipping the fillets halfway through the cooking process. The fish is perfectly done when it easily flakes with a fork and reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your air-fried cod is perfectly cooked, carefully remove it from the basket and let it rest for a couple of minutes. This brief resting period helps the fish retain its juices, ensuring a moist and tender result. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley adds a bright finish. Pair this healthy and flavorful cod with a side of steamed asparagus, brown rice, or a fresh green salad for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.